Hello guys, this is Unumas again, and today is July 3, 2012, and I know you have an idea what it is. So this is a tutorial, okay? And the title of my tutorial is this, okay? Unumas tutorial: Why Alpha Bad Boys? How to make a special extra and demo broadband ID. You can create IDs like plus sign, underscore, at sign, etc, etc. This for those things. So let's kick it. Let's do it. Quick, fast, and easy. Before this time's run out, I do have so much more things to do, and it's been a while since I made again my tutorial, so I will boost up my tutorial and make it a day for day tutorial to cope up with the last months that I don't have any tutorial. So let's do this. So the title is this, okay? Unumas tutorial: Why Alpha Bad Boys? How to make a special at extra and demo broadband IDs. You can create IDs like plus sign, score, at sign, hyphen, I just want to show you, okay? Just show you. So you must first copy paste this link here, this link, put it in your browser, okay? Copy, wait, copy, paste, paste, another one, copy paste link, this is the link, actually, okay, so copy paste this link, and we will go to a sign up page like this, okay? Sign up page like this. So start creating your ID and let your imaginary mind do some tricks. Imagine some IDs, and you should do decorate your IDs if you want to, and I'm just showing you a bit of what I'm talking about in here. So I just wanted to tell you. I just want to show you. I will give you the password of this ID, okay? So it's a giveaway from Unumas with love, and 3EP. Okay, just remember guys, okay, create my account. Okay, it will make an error, it will say it's an error, so don't be, it's okay. I just want to make sure to show you that this one is an exploit ID maker of extra, okay? So it will show out, disregard these things, just disregard this. So right clicking this one, right click, mouse, inspect elements, okay? After you right click and click inspect elements, okay? Let's wait. And after that, after that, click select here. Click select here. Let's go. Bring it down. Let's bring it down. Then scroll down. Then edit yahoo.com. You don't have to edit extra. That's yahoo.nz. You will get some error. So you must edit this yahoo.com thing, and right click, then edit attribute, then yeah, you do your things. So let's do some imaginary things.
May ginagawa!
So let's do some imaginary things. So okay, extra here, plus the CO underscore and say. Okay, and the other one, edit text. So you must, okay, for you to have no errors, it must be the same thing as this one here, same thing as this one. So it will be like that one. So there. No way. Oh no. Alright. Edit text. Here, extras, let's see underscore and say. So I hope I'm doing this right, because see, something is wrong. Okay, something's wrong, and you just have to go back. Okay, just have to go back, right click, spec elements. Okay, select, bring down this arrow thing. Okay. Then edit the yahoo.com thing, not the extra.com, okay? And make it spear. And do your thing. Same thing as the other one. Right click, edit text. Oh yeah, text. So after you done that, you go to your ID, and let's see, beauty. It says beauty queen. Those. Click create my account. Okay. Alright. If you got that error, just type in again, okay? Yeah, just type in edit again. Edit attribute. Same goes with the other one, okay? Edit text. Okay. Type in the captcha. I hope this thing works. Actually, it will work. And we have a new ID. Here, for you to see that it works, I will log it in. Copy. Log it in. See, the password of this thing is UE123. Okay, and it's got got token, so it's good. Continue. Now we will go. We will Create a demo broadband ID. Just have to go back. Let's create another one. Okay. Let's do this. I will make a demo broadband ID, okay? Oh, yes. Oh, that's it. You can make a demo broadband ID with this one, okay? It's same thing when you're making a demo broadband. You just have to edit the yahoo.com and put it at or underscore plus sign, so on and so forth. Okay, you can put it in your demo broadband, okay? This 4. So this is when I'm signing out in YouTube. Bye guys.